Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can remove access to a video clip you edit and create on Canva to make it public again. Sorry, private, from public to private again in Canva in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, head over to the video clip here in the Canva video editor, and what you'll need to do is change the accessibility status and remove access to users who have been given access to the video clip via a public link, for example. To do that, click into share in the top right, and then guys, check the access level here. So if the current accessibility level is anyone with the link, these persons will be given the opportunity, for example, to either edit the given video clip or to comment or to view it through the Canva editor through that invitation link. So what you want to do guys is either click into that accessibility status and switch back to only you can access, or you can click also into that gear icon in the top right and here select remove access, right? This will make the design or project or video clip go private again, and only the current editor with the current account will retain access. So you can click into this button, and that's the other option guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.